Welcome back to Wine and Real Estate. Today I'm at our newest listing at 774 Belden Street in Monterey, and I'm so excited about it. We're just a few blocks from the ocean, the aquarium, and the walking and biking trail, and all the amenities Cannery Row has to offer. I'm talking restaurants, shopping, nightlife, you name it. Today I'm thrilled to pair this home with a local favorite and icon, the 2020 Morgan Chardonnay coming right out of the Santa Lucia Highlands in our backyard. This 2-unit home offers it all. Sweeping ocean views, aesthetic finishes, 2 garages, and private deck space to soak it all in. The upstairs 1-bed, 1-bath is set with dramatic lofted ceilings. Downstairs offers a 2-bed, 2-bath, both with washer and dryer. Take your pick. You can live in one unit and rent the other unit out, or save it for guests coming to visit. Why does this wine pair so well with this home? This crisp, clean, and balanced Chardonnay is the perfect partner for fresh off the boat seafood Monterey has to offer. And being so close to Cannery Row allows you to take your pick on a moment's notice. So pull up a chair and grab a glass and enjoy with friends while you watch the sunset skies and take advantage of this spacious deck at 774 Belden Street. Call us today and come check it out. Cheers.